Alright, well, the holidays are upon us. Next week is American Thanksgiving. This engine ran for a nice 20 minutes, 25 minutes today in the chill. And that was nice. Next time we see the EM2, I'm going to be trying to refine that modification I made to the governor to get that to work a little better. And also try to really refine the valve timing and ignition timing because the slower you run an engine, the more sensitive it is to all of that, because it's got got less energy to overcome bad timing to keep turning. So yeah, we'll take a look at that next time. And I am gonna go inside for the morning. I have quite a bit of stuff to do this afternoon, and thanks to the holiday next week, I will be back when I get a chance to be back at these. But I do really appreciate that the EM1 is still runs really nice. Once I got it in order from when it arrived, and I'm still very certain that once I get the EM2 organized and really sorted out, it's going to turn into a little champ like the EM1. But again, because every once in a while I get asked, if you're going to grab one of these and you want it to be kind of a no-brainer out of the box, good running little engine, the ET series, the ET1 is the best choice, and my personal favorite is the ETX vertical, but you can see on the other videos in my channel that it's needs some modifications to be a really good long runner, just because that radiator is too tiny, but they're quick and easy. But yeah, those slightly bigger ET engines just run a lot nicer out of the box, partially by virtue of being a little bit bigger, so they're a little more forgiving. Anyhow, I'm gonna pack all this up and head inside, and I will be back when I get a chance to get back on these.